पाणिनीय प्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीं लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीं। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः तत्पुरुषसमासस्य सम्यक् अभ्यासः कृतः। तथा अनन्तरं कर्मधारय इत्यस्य अपि उदाहरणानि कानिचन उदाहरणानि दृष्टानि आसन्। अधुना कर्मधारय इत्यस्य विषये किञ्चित् ज्ञातव्यं भवति। ततः द्विगु इत्यस्मिन् विषये अस्माभिः अध्येतव्यम्। तत्र कर्मधारय इत्यस्य वस्तुतः 9 प्रभेदाः सन्ति। तेषां लिस्ट् अत्र प्रदत्ता। विशेषण पूर्वपदः इति प्रथमः कर्मधारय समासः। अत्र मुख्यत्वेन किं भवति? अत्र विशेषणं सर्वदा पूर्वस्मिन् पदे भवति। पूर्वपदं विशेषणं भवति, उत्तरपदं विशेष्यपदं भवति। फॉर एग्जांपल, नील नीलः मेघः। सो नील इज द एडजेक्टिव of megah, cloud. Which kind of cloud? Neela megah. Right? So visheshana purvapadah karmadharayah. It is called visheshana purvapadah karmadharayah. Similarly, dirgha rajjuh means what? Dirgha cha asau rajju cha rajjushcha. Dirgha cha asau rajju cha dirgha rajju. It would become dirgha rajju. In the similar way, unnataschaasau vrikshascha unnata vrikshah. So neela, dirgha, unnata is adjective of megha, rajju, vriksha respectively. So visheshana purvapada karmadharaya. Visheshana uttarapada. So whatever I have put into red, these are some rare examples or rare prayoga. Visheshana uttarapada. So you will find visheshana adjective in uttarapada. For example, vayyakaranaha, one means one who studies, one who is vidwan of vyakarana is called vayyakaranaha. And khasuchihi, khashuchi is not taken in positive way. Actually, what happens whenever a teacher asks any question to the a person or student who is studying a vyakarana, and he doesn't know the answer immediately, what he does, he just looks at sky, making teacher know that he tries to make he tries to say that I know, but I am not able to remember. This is how he uses a stick. That is called vayyakarana khashuchihi. Khasuchihi means one who just looks at sky. This is it. And we used to do in our childhood or when we were student. Same thing. We have gone through same drama. Okay, and now we are experiencing that how student used to behave, how we used to behave now, and how our students are. Vayyakarana khashuchihi. Khasuchihi. I am not talking about you all. I have another students. Okay. Now next is, so samasta padam would be vayyakarana khasuchihi. Okay. Third one, visheshana ubhaya pada, where you will find ubhaya visheshana only. Shitam cha ushnam cha, shitam cha ushnam cha shitoshnam, kritam cha akritam cha kritakritam, satyam cha asatyam cha satya satyam, dharmascha dharmascha dharmadharmam dharmadharmau, etc. So visheshana ubhayapadah karmadharayah. Next, fourth one is upamana purvapada. There will be some simile. Simile given. For example, megah iva shamah. He is a shamah. He is a black. Or a little bit, not fully shama, not fully black, but mixed with little bit. Megah iva. He is shama like megha, cloud. He is black like cloud. So simile is given, megah iva. So there you will find iva pada along with upamana. Upamana megah iva. and upameya vastu is shamah, that person is black like megha, so it would be megha shamah. Kusuma komalam, kusuma iva komalam, kusuma komalam. Vigraha vakyam will be little bit different. Kusuma iva word will be added to that कुसुमम इव कोमलम, कुसुम जैसे मतलब फूल जैसा वो क्या है, कोमल है. उपमान उत्तर पद, यू विल फाइंड सिमिली इन उत्तर पद. नरः व्याघ्रः इव, व्याघ्रः इव इज उपमान and who is upameya, that person is upameya. Narah vyagrah iva, person is like lion, not lion, what, tiger, sorry. Vyagrah iva, narah vyagrah iva, he will be called as nara vyagrah. Mukham padmam iva, padmam is lotus, her face is like lotus. So mukham padmam iva, padmam iva word will be added before upamana, and upamana will come into uttara pada. So based on that, upamana purva pada, upamana uttara pada, visheshana purva pada, visheshana uttara pada, the names are given, right? Now next samasa is avadharana purva pada. Avadharana purva pada karma dharayah. Now the eva word will be added to this samasta pada, this vigraha vakyam. For example, vidya eva dhanam, vidya dhanam. Guruhu eva devah, guru devah, guru hi dev hai. Tapah eva dhanam, it's called tapodhanam, tapodhanah, tapodhanam. And sambhavana, sambhavana means assumption. For assuming something, we use iti. Amrah iti vrikshah, amra vrikshah. So iti word will be added everywhere. For example, Bharat, Bharatam iti deshah, Bharat deshah. America iti deshah, America deshah. Ayodhya iti nagari, Ayodhya nagari. Iti shabda will be added, and we are going to see that everything elaborately, so nothing to worry. Madhyama pada lopa samasah. So omission of the middle pada will be there in this samasa. For example, Deva Brahmanah. When we say Deva Brahmanah, we have to understand Pujakah. Deva Pujakah Brahmanah, one who worships God, that Brahmana, Deva Brahmana. It's called Deva Brahmana. So Pujaka padasya lopaha abhut. In the similar way, Dvishatam means what? Dvi adhika shatam. It's called Dvishatam. Adhika padasya lopaha sanjata. Dvadasha, dvau cha, dvau adhikam atva dve adhikam shatam is called, not shatam, dasha, right? Dvau adhika dasha, it's called dvadasha. Dvau adhika dasha is called dvadasha. Madhur Vamsatadi, there is a group of such words, and along with those words there will be samasa. Samasa very rarely it is found. So this is also we are going to see. Example is Anyaha Desha. Now we will practice Visheshana Uttara Pada, Visheshana Purva Pada. Right? Visheshana Uttar Pada. First is very simple. Very Visheshana Purva Pada. What you will find in Purva Pada, there would be always adjective. In Uttar Pada there will be Visheshya Pada. That's it. This is little bit, rarely it is find. Visheshana Uttar Pada. Udharanam is Vayyakarana kha suchihi. Means what? Vayyakaranaha cha asau kha suchi cha. Here Visheshya Padam is Vayyakarana. The person who studies, one knows Vyakaranam. It's called Vayyakarana. Vayyakaranaha cha asau kha suchihi. He studies but he looks at sky. In the similar way, मीमांसकः दुर्दूरुटः. So these words ख शुचिः दुर्दूरुटः, these are निंदार्थवाचकः शब्दः, not used in good way. निंदार्थको दुर्दूरुटः निंदार्थकः अयं शब्दः वर्तते. So rarely you will find विशेषण in उत्तरपद. Rare examples. ख शुचिः is the adjective, दुर्दूरुटः is the adjective of मीमांसकः. Third samasa is विशेषण उभय पद कर्मधारयः. Here what will happen? Both pada will have adjectives only. Purvapadam also adjective, Uttarpadam also adjective. But in Karmadhare, in whole Karmadhare samasa, we have to understand there would be cha along with pronoun. So now gatam cha tat agatam cha, it's called gatagatam. Like for example, Nilaschasau megah Nilamegah. Similarly here, gatam cha tat agatam cha gatagatam. Next would be drishtam cha tat adrishtam cha drushta drushtam. Manda shitalah mandascha asau shitalascha manda shitalah. Bhojjam cha tat ushnam cha bhojjoshnam. This is how Visheshana Ubhaya Pada Karmadhara works. Upamana Purva Pada Karmadhara means what? Upamana means simile. You will find simile in Purva Pada. Now you have to give an example and split the word. Ghana Shamah means what? Ghanaha iva Shamaha Ghana Shamaha. Next. Samudra Gambiraha means
Samudraha iva gambiraha.
Next.
Samudra cages. Chandraha iva mukham chandramukham. Lata iva tanvi lata tanvi.
Can you make some sentences by using this kind of Visheshana Upamana Purvapada and Upamana Upameya Uttarapada? We'll practice here. Kusumam iva komalam. Samastapadam.
Kusuma komala.
Kusuma komalam. So Purvapada there would be Upamana. And next pada there would be Samanya Dharma, like Kusuma Madhya Kim Bhavati, Komalata Bhavati. Tadatra Uktam. Kusuma iva komalam, Kusuma komalam. Next, Shailaha iva unnataha. Shailonnataha. Himam iva shitalam. Hima shitalam. Hima shitalam would be samastapadam. Ghanaha iva shamaha.
Ghanashyama, that's written there.
Dugdam iva dhavalam.
Dugdha dhavalam.
Dugdha dhavalam.
That's written there.
These are visible or next जो भी लिखा
I
है.
know, there's a couple, the last two ones were there. Vajram, if Kathoram is also there.
I thought it will.
Avinash, in the previous one, Himam iva Shitalam, Hima Shitalam.
Hima shitalam. Huh. What happened?
What is that? What does that mean?
Hima
Hima Shitalam. And
ice, snow. Right? Shitalam means
yeah, cold.
so cold like snow, cold like ice. Okay.
Okay.
Now little bit abhyas we'll do. Vajra kathoram means what?
Vajram iva kathoram.
वज्रम इव कठोरम. कुंदधवलाः.
Kund
Iva Dhamalaha. Sorry, I have throat congestion.
कुंद इव धवला.
Dhamalaha.
Kundam is a kind of famous flower and it is white in color.
Oh, Kundam iva Dhavalaha.
There is a some
Dhataha.
mantra, right? या कुंदेन्दु तुषारहार धवला. या धवला वर्तते. Like what? या कुंद इंदु तुषार तुषारहार dhavala. One who is dhavala like kunda, one who is dhavala like indu in the sense moon, one who is dhavala like kundahar, kundendu तुषारहार. तुषार means क्या बोलते हैं तुषार को? स्नो.
I have no idea.
तुषार के लिए संस्कृत इंग्लिश वर्ड क्या है?
Tushar drops, right?
हाँ,
मतलब वो समुद्र से तुषार हम बोलते हैं ऐसे, like water drops.
तुषार actually means the the particle of snow or ice. It's called tushar. I don't know the exact word, English word.
Snowflake?
Huh?
Is it a snowflake?
No. What? Snow?
Snowflake?
Snowflake. Okay, that is called tushar. So a small
I'm
part,
not sure.
ice, etc. Snow, etc. It's called tushar. So one whose form or whose varna color is like tushar or kunda or indu. Tusharahara dhavala. या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता, one who is आवृत by शुभ्र वस्त्र. That is how that shloka goes. चंद्रमुखम.
Chandra eva mukham.
चंद्र इव मुखम. चंद्र इव सुंदरम मुखम इति अर्थः. चंद्रम इव मुखम चंद्रमुखम. नवम मृदुलम हृदयम means
Navanitam ivam mrudulam.
tam iva mrudulam. Next, this shloka we had seen in Raghuvamsha.
Gauram Vriksha
Kailasa Gauram iva Vriksha.
Iva
Vriksha.
गौरम. कैलासः इव गौरः कैलास गौरः तम कैलास गौरम आरुरुक्षोः वृषम आरुरुक्षोः. Now he wanted to climb, in the sense one who wants to climb vrishabha, vrisham. Which kind of vrishabha? How he looks? Kailasa iva gaurah. Kailasa gaurah means one who is very white in color. तो भगवान शिव जी का वृषभ कैसा है? श्वेत इन कलर. कैलास गौरम. कैलास इव गौरः वर्तते खलु इति कृत्वा कैलास गौरम वृषभम आरुरुक्षोः. He puts his foot on Simha. That is how he described. That Simha describes to Dilipa. I am that fellow on whom Shivji puts his feet to climb on Nandi. Next, Kushagra Nishita Matihi.
Agra iva nishita.
Kushagra Iva Nishita. Sharpened like Kushagra. What happened? You are not feeling good or what?
Yeah, my
Do not
throat is.
do not speak. Okay. Fifth one is Upamana Uttarapadah Karmadharayah. Right? Purvapada would be Upameya and Uttarapada is going to be Upamana. For example, Purusha Vyagraha means what? Purushaha Vyagraha iva.
Yeah.
Purusha Vyagraha. Similarly, next one
Nrsimhaha.
Nrusimha means what?
Simhaha iva naraha.
No, we have to say like Nru
Oh, naraha. Okay.
Simha iva. Otherwise, if you decline directly Nru word, it will go Nru narau naraha. Na narau naraha. This is how it goes. So na is actually singular of Nru word, and there is naraha akaranta word also is there. So we can use both. Either na simha iva atva naraha simha iva. It's called Nrasimha. A person like Simha. Karapallavam means
Karaha pallavam iva.
Pallavam. When Amra Vriksham, I have seen the tree, Amra tree, mango tree. When Vasanta comes, the tree gets new, leaves, etc. And that leaves are very brownish in color, and they be very soft. So that is called Pallava, Nava Pallava. So Karaha Pallava iva means what? There is a komalata, mruduta in that kara. Kara is called Kara Pallavam. Siddhanta Kaumudi.
So karaha here means what? Hand? I mean, normally karaha means hand.
The hand, very soft hand, is called Karapallavam. Next, Siddhanta.
Siddhanta Kaumudi. Sorry. Siddhantaha Kaumudi iva.
Siddhanta Kaumudi iva. Siddhanta also please us, right? Sometime it doesn't, but we can assume it does. It does work like a Kaumudi. It pleases us. This is how. Siddhantaha Kaumudi iva. Now we'll practice it. Simple. It is called Naravyagraha. Purushaha Simhaha iva. Purusha Simhaha. Mukham Mam iva. Mukhapad. Charanam Kamalam iva. It's called Charana Kamalam. Here you have to do samasa. Raja Simhaha. Vigraha Vakyam would be
Raja Simhaha iva.
Raja Simhaha iva. And Samasta Padam would be
Oh, it's written there. Raj Simhaha.
next. Vadanam Aravindam. Vigraha
Vadanarvindam.
Vadana
Oh, sorry.
Samasta Pada and Vigraha Vakyam.
Vadanam Arvindam iva. It's there, sir.
Yeah. Next time I will remove. Karaha Kisalayam.
What is Kisalayam, sir?
Similar, that Amra Vriksha trees leaves are
Soft.
Pallava.
So, Karaha Kisalayam iva.
Kara
Kisalayam.
Kisalayam athva Karapallavam has same meaning. Strirat.
Okay.
What does Aravindam mean? Vadanam Aravindam iva.
Arvindam lotus. Aravinda Netram. We say, right? Netram Aravindam iva. Or Aravinda iva Netram. There is little bit change, in both samasas. Okay. Striratnam iva. Striratnam. Kapikunjaraha iva. Here Kunjaraha word actually means Gajaha.
Okay.
Kunjara has the meaning as Gajaha, but here Kunjara does not mean Gajaha. Here Kunjara is taken as a Sreshtha. Sometimes Shardulaha, Simhaha, Vrishabha. Actually, Vrishabha is not good word, but it is taken as Sreshtha. We said, right? For Arjuna.
light on करो.
Anji? Sorry? Okay. So Shardulaha, Simhaha, Vrishabha, these words are used to show Sreshthatvam or their quality also. Right. Can you give some examples like this? I will ask few more examples. Let me finish this first. This one, fifth one actually. The number is little bit here and there. Avadharana purvapadam karmadharaya. Now, in purvapada, you will find avadharana vachak eva shabda. Like vidya dhanam. It's called vidya dhanam. Jnanam eva agnihi. Jnanagnidagdhani. Here Agni means which Agni? Jnanagni. Jnanam eva Agnihi. Tena Agnita. Sarvani api karmani dagdhum shakyante. Jnanagni dagdha karmani bhasmasat kurute Arjuna. Yatha Jnanagni sarvanyapi karmani bhasmasat kurute. Jnanani sarvanyapi karmani bhasmasat kurute va prashnah bhavati. वेदांते तस्य उत्तरं लभते अन्यत्र न. ज्ञानाग्निना किं किं कर्तुं शक्यते? ज्ञानाग्निना संचितं यत् कर्म अस्ति तत् दग्धं शक्यते. ज्ञानाग्निना वर्तमानं यदस्ति तत्तु दह्यते. किं प्रारब्ध कर्मं ज्ञानाग्निना दह्यते इति प्रश्नः. इति चेत् न. ज्ञानाग्निना प्रारब्ध कर्म नाशयितुं न शक्यम्. चेत् कथं ज्ञानाग्निना सर्वाण्यपि कर्माणि दग्धुं शक्यते इति उच्यते? तत्र टिक् वर्तते. पश्यामः कदाचित्. ज्ञानाग्नि दग्ध कर्माणि. ज्ञान से प्रारब्ध कर्म कभी भी नष्ट नहीं होता. ज्ञान से पता चलता है कि हमें प्रारब्ध कर्म बिलोंग ही नहीं करता. बॉडी का है तो बॉडी उसको समाप्त करके रहेगी. यही विवेक एव संपत्. विवेक संपत्. Guru eva devah, Gurudev. Now again,
Like Jatharagni is going like just like a Gnanagni. If we do samas.
Agni means Jathare Agnihi. Kayagni, Jatharagni, that is different.
Different.
Jnana eva, Jnanam itself, Jathara itself is not Agni. Agni be there in whole body actually, not even in Jathara, but in the Jathara there is a little bit, more what quantity of that fire. Jnanagni sarva karmani. Here Jnanagni already seen. Jnanam eva. Here eva is different and eva is different. If you are using eva pada, then that would be either upameya purvapada and upamana purvapada or upamana uttarapada if you are using eva shabda. But if you are using the eva shabda, it would be avadharana purvapadam karmadharaya. Right. Next. Kirtishriya samruddha ayam sajjanah. Ayam sajjanah samruddha vartate. Kaya Kirtishriya means what? Kirtishriya means what? Shrihi means what?
Shri means Lakshmi.
Lakshmi. One who is samruddha with Shri. But
Oh, Kirtihi eva Shrihi. Oh, that is his Lakshmi. Kirti is his Lakshmi.
Kirti itself is Lakshmi. Right? And taya samruddha ayam sajjanah. Next. Vagbanahi ma prahar. Don't speak, the harsh word. Your Vani is like Bana. Vak eva Banah Vakbanah. Taihi Vakbanaihi Ma Prahara. Dasharatha. If we look at the Dasharatha, when Kaikeyi spoke such a word like Rama has to go for forest and Bharata has to be a king. So that words were like arrows only. So Vak eva Banah. That time he might have said, "O Kaikeyi, don't Vakbanaihi Ma Prahara. Don't speak like this." And might have definitely. Okay, Vakbanaihi means what?
Netra Bana is same here.
Netrabane
Is same, right?
Netram eva Banah Netrabanah Taihi Netrabanaihi Ma Prahara. That goes a little bit Shungarik way.
Shungarik way.
अवनितलं पुनरवतीर्णा स्यात् संस्कृत गंगाधारा धीर भगीरथ वंशोऽस्माकं वयं तु कृत निर्धाराः. अवनितलं पुनरवतीर्णा स्यात्. अवनितले पुनः अवतीर्णा स्यात्. What? Gangadhara. But which kind of Gangadhara? Sanskrit Gangadhara means what?
Sanskritam eva Gangadhara.
We are Ganga, we are Bhagiratha. We are going to bring Ganga again on this Avanitala, in the Prithvi, on the earth. But which kind of Ganga? Are we going to bring that same Ganga? She is already there in Prithvi, but not Sanskrita Ganga Dhara. Very nice that song is. Avanitalam punarkirna syat Samskrita Ganga Dhara. Dhira Bhagiratha Vamshosmakam. We belong to that Dhira Bhagiratha Vamsha. We belong to that. And till the success gain, till the task is complete, we do not leave our efforts. We do not, we put lot of efforts. That is the idea. Katham aham daridrya narkat muktim prapnuyam. Daridrya narkat muktim prapnuyam. So here, what we do with the samasa?
Daridram eva narakam.
Then whenever we do samasa, we have to put padas in prathama vibhakti, like daridryam eva narakam. Then if you are finding such a word in sentence like daridrya narakat, it is in panchami. So what you will do? Daridryam eva narakam, daridrya narakam. Tasmat daridrya narakat. This is how you are going to say. You have to practice like this. Jnanam.
So this means poverty is the only narakam. Is that what it means?
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct. Okay. Now, Sambhavana Purvapada Karma Dharaya. Here what we will do, you will find some proper nouns or with that proper noun along with some common noun. Like, so Ganga is a proper noun and Nadi is a common noun. So between that, to show sambandha relation, we have to use iti shabda in between. So Ganga iti nadi, Ganga nadi. Ayodhya iti nagari, Ayodhya nagari. Amra iti vriksha, Amrah iti visarga will be dropped. Amra iti vriksha, Amra vriksha. And Himalaya iti parvatah, Himalaya parvatah. This is how this Sambhavana Purvapada works. Madhyama Padalopi.
Sorry, I have a question about Sambhavana. So Ganga iti nadi, I'm not able to understand the meaning of it. Ganga nadi, Ganga iti nadi. What does iti there say?
They just add iti shabda. Iti does means Ganga only nadi. Ganga is nadi. That is how the samasa goes. To show that proper noun, they add iti. That's it. Like Ramah, what to say? How to explain? I don't know.
I kind of got it. Thank you.
Let me see my old notes, etc. Or shall I explain, because we have very little time? I will go through it again, and in coming class I will be explaining again. संभावना पूर्व पद, right? ठीक है, ये वाला I will explain again. मध्यम पद लोपे I have already explained. So मध्यम पद will be dropped out. For example, शाक पार्थिव. शाक means sabji, पार्थिव means a king. One who likes that vegetables is called शाक पार्थिव. So पार्थिवस्य शाकानि अतिप्रियाणि भवन्ति. He likes that. अतिप्रिय word is dropped. That's it. मध्यम पदस्य तत्र संजातः. So whenever we want to do vigraha vakya of that, we have to assume that madhyam pada what would be like. For example, here Deva Brahmanah means what? Deva Pujakah Brahmanah Deva Brahmanah. Chaya Taruhu. Chaya Pradhanah Taruhu. It's called Chaya Taruhu, where you will find Chaya. For example, in Meghadutam, in first shloka itself, he says, Kalidasa says, Snigdha Chaya Tarushu Vasatim Ramagirya Shrameshu, where that Iksha lived. He lived in ashrama where there were lot of Snigdha Chaya Taru. Right. Parnashala means what? Parna Nirmita Shala is called Parnashala. Parashurama means what? Parashuhu Praharanaha. Praharanaha Ayudaha. Ayudaha Shastram Astram whatever. Parashu Praharanaha Ramaha. Otherwise there is no meaning for Parashurama. Parashu means axe. Ramaha means Ramaha. Parashurama, what does Rama means? Parshu Praharanaha Ramaha. One who has Parshu as Astra. It's that person is called Parashurama. Shakha Mrigaha means Kapihi. Shakha Mrigaha is the word used for Kapi, Vanar, monkey. Shakha Prasaktaha Mrigaha, one who hangs over, one who stays, one who be on Shakha is called Shakha Mrigaha. Murali Krishnaha. Murali Krishnaha means what? Either we can say Murali Vadakaha Krishnaha or Murali Dharaha Krishnaha. Vamshi Dharaha. Like Vamshi Dharaha, Murali Dharaha, Chakra Dharaha. Mayur. Ji.
I have a question, sir. In this one, so the Madhyama Pada is being dropped. Now, there can be multiple permutations and combinations. So, at some point, are we supposed to know all these words so that we know which pad has been dropped? Or, I mean, how do you figure out if you don't know the word?
We have to guess. Guess as well as we have to also go through those examples where the Madhyam Padalopa has dropped. Madhyama Pada is dropped.
Okay.
By practicing, we will come to know this is a Madhyam Padalopa Samas, and sometimes we can, just looking at the word, we will be inferring, oh, this is Madhyama Pada. For example, Murali Krishna means, it is very famous Shabda Murali.
Right. So Murali Krishna is easy. Like for example, Parnashala. I would never guess Nirmita is going to go with Parnashala if I didn't know the word. So I was wondering. That's why I asked. Thank you.
How to practice, and we have to find such examples. Then only slowly, gradually, we will.
Okay.